Grade boundaries. Today we will be looking at A-level math Edexcel syllabus. So in 2023, the grade boundary was 244 out of 300 for an A star. That went up by 3% the following year. In 2024, it went up to 251 marks, which is here. And then for the most recent year, for the 2025 cohort, the A star was at 258 out of 300. So that's around 86% you'd need to score on your paper to get that grade. So 2 or 3 bits of advice. If you want an A star in A-level math, and Edexcel is your syllabus, but this applies for everyone to aim for 90% on your mocks. That will give you enough margin such that when you get to the real exam, you have enough leeway that if you do drop marks, you're still in the safe boundary to get an A star. So aim for 90% on mocks and any closed book timed paper you do, whether that be at home or in the classroom. Number 2, exhaust all question banks you have provided by your textbook or exam board. So once you've done that, then try other exam boards. So OCR, MEI, I think, have the best practice questions for A-level. And if you've done that, the third thing I would recommend you do is, if you have time and you really want to push yourself, try Cambridge University Engineering Admissions Assessment. There are past papers available online. I could share some examples in another video, but if you could do those questions, there is no doubt, even if you could score maybe like 50% on that paper, on the advanced math and physics questions in there, when you do your A-level math paper, you should be fine. So those are some things you can do. Grade boundaries change every year. There's no point wasting time in predicting where they'll go, because you'll just be, it's a frivolous exercise. All you could do is focus on preparing the best you can for the exam and getting as much exposure to questions, okay? Comment below what subject and exam board you'd want me to cover next with regards to grade boundaries. DM study for one-to-one tutoring.